everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bri. So today I decided to film my highly requested video on how I curl my hair. So for today's video I'm just going to be using the Paul Mitchell curling iron in 1 1/4 inch. I will have everything down in the description box. This is actually part 1. Part 2 will hopefully be coming really soon. This is how I curl my hair with just a regular barrel clamp. But I also curl my hair once in a while with the wand, so I will be filming that as well. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It is super easy, and once you get the hang of it, it'll probably take you 10 to 15 minutes at the most. I just love these curls for every day, for going out, any occasion. These are my go-to curls. It's just super easy and super fast. If you guys want to see how I achieve these curls, just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is my hair before I style it. And I specifically wanted to film this video with dirty hair so you guys can see how you do not need to wash it every day. So today is Tuesday and I have not washed it since Thursday. And as you can see, I finally got it done, so no more roots. But I haven't washed it since Thursday, and if I wouldn't have told you guys wouldn't have even found out. So this is 5-day-old hair, and I've actually only gone to the gym once. So that makes a big difference too. If I would have gone more than once, I probably would have had to wash it already. But you guys can get pretty hair without having to wash it every day, and I'm going to show you guys how. So this is the curler that I use. It is a 1 1/4 inch. This curler is by Paul Mitchell. It's just a regular curler with the clamp. Any curler will do. This one's my favorite. But I know Hot Tools also has like pretty much the same thing, so I will leave the size down below. But 1 1/4 is definitely my favorite curler. While the curler heats up, I'm just going to start by putting some heat protectant spray. And you guys are familiar with this because I mentioned this product in my how to take care of blonde hair. So the first thing I do is I always keep a clip, and sections are going to be key. You don't want to just like grab random pieces. I feel like you get the best results when you section your hair. And I just start off at the bottom. And then I will clip this up, so I have about this much of my hair. And I like to keep this around 300 to 350. So basically what I do is I just run it through, and then I can just slowly go pushing it. And I really don't like to leave it there for a long time. Every section I will lightly hairspray, and I am using the Bedhead Masterpiece hairspray. It just adds a really nice shine to your hair as well as a really good hold. I really don't know how to explain what I'm doing, but basically you always want to curl away from your face. So this one, you want to open up the clamp, and then I always start at the top, and then you want to twist it. And then slowly with this finger, I'm like opening it up and dragging it down. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I know they can start looking like little quinceañera curls, but they're not gonna look like that at the end. This is so easy, you guys. Like once you get it down, it'll probably take you like 10-15 minutes. Obviously depending on how much hair you have. I curl hair every day, not my own but on my clients, so it's honestly all about practice. So again, starting at the top, wrapping it, and slowly and I really like this curler because it won't clamp your hair super tight. It's going to kind of let you slide your curls down without really having to open up the clamp too much. So now for the fun part, I am going to be adding some extensions. These are 20-inch extensions in Ash Blonde by Bellamy, but I have cut them a lot, so they're probably around 16 to 18 inches. And then I have also low-lighted them to match my actual hair. I'm actually not even going to curl these because they're already pretty curled from the weekend. If you guys would like to see a full video on Bellamy hair extensions and how I install them and make them blend into my hair, just comment down below and I will definitely make that video for you guys. So the extensions are in. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be shook with this video because they don't even know that I wear extensions because they match my hair so well. All I do is put two wefts of 3 clips in, and I mainly just put them for the front because the front of my hair is really thin because of the bleach. So the back of my hair is actually the same length as my extensions. It's just the front that doesn't catch up to the rest of it. I really hope you guys can see what I'm doing. It's so easy. If I wasn't filming this video, it would probably take me like 10 minutes. And then you really want to make sure you get really close to your root up here. That way your hair has some volume. Okay, so I'll be parting my hair down the middle today, but you can basically part it wherever you want. Just make sure that you are always curling away from your face. And obviously you can curl towards your face if you want, but that's just what I like to do. I always go away. So it's gonna look a little crazy. Okay, so now you're just gonna wanna lightly spray it. Also just wanna let them cool down for a bit, so just don't mess with them, just let them sit there. Now once you have let them sit, you just wanna take some hair oil, and I use the Moroccan one. I mentioned this in my video on how to take care of blonde hair. You just wanna take a tiny bit, put it all over your hands like if it was lotion, and then you slowly wanna start combing out those curls. I will usually go back and curl like the very top pieces just to give me a little bit more volume. So now I will just go in with a little bit more hairspray. And I also like to go in with some texture spray, and this is just the volumizing texture spray from IGK. And I like to really put that on my roots just to give it some volume. Okay guys, so that is how I curl my hair. It is so easy. Like I said, you just need to practice, and I just use a regular 1 1/4 clamp barrel. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2 because I will be making another video on how I curl my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next.